Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert a SIM and SD card into this device. To get started, you'll need a SIM ejector tool that comes with a device, or you can use a straightened paper clip. The tray is located on the same side as the volume and power buttons. Push the pin in, and the tray will come out slightly so you can remove it. The tray has space for an SD card on the top and a SIM card at the bottom. This device does not support a SIM card, so I'll only insert the SD card. Make sure the SD card lays flush on the tray and clips in fully. Once inserted, place the tray back into your device. The card should start working right away. This is how you insert an SD card into this device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.